Hello viewers, welcome to Playful Learn Babyboss. Today we are going to learn how to make a rabbit. See this cute rabbit? This is very easy craft. You all can try at your home. So let's start. See here I have taken the orange and red color peppers and this is a small circle. See, I am taking this pepper and I am going to fold it. I am going to paste it like this. So now I am going to cut this circle. Actually it's not a circle, but this is going to be the rabbit face. So let's draw its ears like this. And let's cut. And now I'm going to cut this small pepper. And this will become the rabbit's front legs. Let's paste it to the body which we already prepared. And these will be the back legs. See, now I'm going to attach this face to the body. So first let's draw some eyes. Now, and let's highlight its ears. Now let's attach this face. So for that I'm taking this small pepper and I'm folding this like this. See, it should be like this, like a jet. Now I'm going to paste its face here. See, our rabbit is ready. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.